Hello everyone, this is Sean Heather, and in this video we are going to do a benchmarking test comparison between the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and Xiaomi 15 to see which device is going to be better in terms of hardware spec, daily usage, gaming performance, and in terms of numbers. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. These are the benchmarking applications we got today here on our devices. We have already performed all of them, and we will just have a quick look on the test score results. So first of all, let's start with AnTuTu Benchmark. So Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 2.663040 million points and Xiaomi 15 scored 2.653273 million points. So as you can see, the difference is very minute, but still the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If we go to the individual test score result, here you can compare the result of CPU, GPU, memory and UX, and as you can see, in CPU and GPU, performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is slightly better, but when it comes to memory and UX, performance of Xiaomi 15 is better. But our concern is the overall score, and in that the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Now if you go back from here to the Geekbench 6, so this test is divided in CPU and GPU, and the CPU test is divided in single core and multi-core. So as you can see, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 3071 in single core, 9898 in multi-core, while we got 3108 in single core and 9111 in multi-core on Xiaomi 15. So in single core, the winner is Xiaomi 15, and in multi-core, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So now if we go to the GPU test, in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 19,630 and Xiaomi 15 scored 18,576. So in GPU test, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and considering the fact that in out of these three tests, single core, multi-core and the GPU test, in two of them performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is better, we can consider that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is the winner in Geekbench 6 as well. Now if we go to the 3D Mark, this is a gaming benchmarking test, so it gives the idea about the gaming capability of the device. So this test is divided in multiple parts. If you go to the first one here, still Nomad Lite. In this, Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 2509 with 18.59 average FPS, and Xiaomi 15 scored 2327 points with 17.24 average FPS. So in this, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. If we go to the Solar Bay, in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 12,422 with 47.23 average FPS, and Xiaomi 15 scored 10,901 points with 41.45 average FPS. So in this as well, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, even though the difference is not too much. If we go to the Wildlife Extreme, in this Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored 6,907 with 41.36 average FPS, and Xiaomi 15 scored 6,216 with 37.22 average FPS. So here as well, the winner is Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. And if we go to the Wildlife, as you can see, both of these devices, they totally maxed out in this particular test. But if you have a look on the frame rate section, you can see that Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra scored from 102 FPS to 184 FPS, and Xiaomi 15 scored 59 FPS to 123 FPS. So even though both of these devices totally maxed out in Wildlife test, the performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra was better when it comes to FPS generation. Even though both of these devices are coming with the pretty much same hardware specs, Samsung got a bit more optimized version of Snapdragon 8 Elite, and it seems that's what is contributing more in the performance of Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, and because of that, it is scoring more points compared to Xiaomi 15 we got here. But as you can see, both of these devices are pretty solid when it comes to performance, as they got the latest and the best hardware you will get on Android smartphones. And even in terms of the benchmarking test score results, the difference is not too huge and you won't find any distinction in daily use. So it does not matter which device you are going to buy, you will be totally happy with the performance of it for sure. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.